Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Marcia Cross and I'm the Oprah of hair. I am a licensed hairstylist, hair loss practitioner, salon owner and entrepreneur, founder of the Luxury Tress brand, and your hair doctor. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to curl with a flat iron. Now, a lot of you beauty babes and hair gurus, you already know how to do this. So this video is not really for you. This video is for those clients that simply don't know how to do it. A lot of clients didn't even know that you could do it. So I know it may be like simple to you, but to others, they're like, oh, I didn't know you could curl with a flat iron. So I'm going to show you today. And if you stay tuned in, as a bonus, I'm going to show you how to do beach waves and wand curls. For any of you who have seen my video about how to flat iron your hair properly, you always know that you have to take smaller sections when doing any type of flat ironing or curling. So although this is a flat iron, this is heat. So heat does what you tell it. So if I tell it to curl, it's gonna curl. If I tell it to go straight, it's gonna go straight. So that's the magic of heat. Cold doesn't do that. This heat is our friend. So I'm going to show you in the front of my hair here because I really want my hair straight, but I'm going to show you how to curl with a flat iron. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you just grab a small section because if your section is too big, then you're going to mess something up. All right. So if you're on, I am right-handed, so I'm going to work on my left side first. So I'm going to start at the top here and I'm going to go above to show you this. So what we want to do, I'm going to come in and you're going to place your iron on, and you don't want to try too hard. Some of you try too hard. So you just place the iron on, you got to keep moving and you're going to turn. And once you get your iron in, you're going to glide down. Glide slowly down. So I just made a little beach wave there. Okay, this is what we're going to do. We're going to start on this side. It's hard to show you and do it. So what you want to do is you're going to place your flat iron on your hair and you're going to turn. And please make sure you don't hold it too long. You turn, keep moving, and you keep your flat iron moving. If it doesn't move, just slowly like tap it. And then you turn again and you slowly tap. And this is how you do a tight curl. Now, I'm going to have links in the bottom of my favorite flat irons. It is in my Amazon store. So if you can see what that just did. Now, that's a tighter curl. But for those of you who want more like a beach wave like this, you're going to do just like I just did, but I just the wrong side. So what we want to do is you're going to go in and instead of curling so tight, you're going to like slide down like this and point your iron to the floor. Okay, and that's gonna give you like a more like beachy wave, and then you're gonna flat iron the ends out straight. You don't want your ends to be in there. Okay, so that's gonna give you more of just like a beachy wave. And because I'm right-handed, so when you go to the left, your angle is going to be different. So I'm going to do both angles again. So on this side, we're going to go in and you're going to place your iron on your hair and you're going to turn. And this time your iron is going to be straight up in the air instead of pointed to the floor. So I'm going to go in and this time I'm going to pull down. But when I pull down, And then we're going to go back and straighten the ends. Now we also have actual wand, what they're called wands, for this. If it's too curly, like if you want it more like beachy like this, you're gonna go back and go like this. You just go straight down it, and it loosens it up, as you can see. And when you finish, you'll have a full head of like beachy waves. But you can also do this with a wand curler, and I'm going to actually have a separate video for that. I know y'all saying, oh my God, you got a lot of separate videos. Yeah, but watch them all. Because some of this stuff, like, well, for one, I didn't bring my wand. I ain't got the wand. That's why I got to do the video another day. So but I'm just showing you how you can use this same iron and get a bunch of different types of curls. Okay, so let's do the tighter curl again. So now if you right-handed and you're on this side, we're gonna go in like this, and your iron is going to be pointed down to the floor this time. So we're going to go around, and we're going, if you want a tighter curl. Okay. So we're putting the hair in. You're going to wrap once, tap, 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 because the hair is going to kind of get stuck to the iron a little bit. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. And this time you do want to catch the end. You only don't want to catch the end when you don't want tight curls. So you can see that. All right, let's do one more. Actually, we're gonna do a couple more. All right, so we're gonna grab the hair, turn, slide, turn again, slide again, turn, slide, tap, tap, tap. When you can't move it, you tap, 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 because you don't want that hair to sit on there and burn. Don't let it sit too long. You gotta tap, 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 get that thing off of there. Okay, so we tapping, tapping, tapping. Okay, and then you keep tapping till you get to the end. Do not give up. Don't get weary in what you're doing. Okay, go all the way to the tip of the tap. Okay, and you hold your iron if necessary. Then we're pointing straight down, and then you're gonna let it go. Okay. Now that one is not as tight as the other ones. All right, but that's all right. It's because my hair. So when you pick up more hair, it's gonna be thicker. So I picked up a lot more hair with this one. So it was more linear like this. But if I go back to my little square sections, then it'll be nice and tight. So watch this. Like if I do a little section like this, so we're gonna sit your iron on it, turn, wrap, turn, wrap, turn, tap, 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 because I couldn't move it. Tap, tap, tap. Okay. Now y'all go ahead and get your flat irons and do this with me. Watch this video again, and we're gonna tap, tap, tap together now. You know, only one over here tapping, tapping, tap, because this thing is it's a lot of work. I see why y'all come to me. You need to come to me, let me do this, because I'm not sitting here all day doing this. All right, okay. So tap, tap, tap. Now that one still ain't tight, but I can say I did just do my flat ironing video, so my hair is like silky pressed, so it's not wanting to curl as much. So now let's go back to the other side and try these beach waves one more time. So with the beach waves, when you have a long slice, is better. So this time, instead of our iron pointing down, our iron is going to point up, because I am right-handed, so I'm working on the left side. So we're going to go in, and this time we're going up. So I'm going to close, turn, slide. Slide some more. And this time we're going to start dragging. Turn, drag. Okay. Now, when you get to the bottom, all right, so you see how that's a nice little, like, just light beachy wave. But in all cases, you want your ends to be straight. Okay? So as you can see on this side, we have our nice beachy waves. And on this side, we have our nice tight curls. Okay? So you see the difference there? All right, so thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on the alerts, do all of that stuff, okay? And check me out on the next video. Love you and stay beautiful. Hey guys, my name is Marcia Cross and I am the Oprah of hair. For those of you who don't know me, I am a salon. I am a, what am I? Oh, hold on. I gotta think of who I am. This is hard. Like, this is much harder than I was thinking. All right, so I just made a little beach wave there. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna start on this side. This is look. I know y'all can't do it. I can't even do it.